Hey everybody, I'm Richard from David Systems and welcome back to your parameter party. Today, we're taking a look at the empty parameter maximum effect tail length for playout. With this parameter you can define the maximum possible tail length of an audio effect during playout or rendering. To use this feature, you need third-party audio effects which will generate an effect tail like reverbs or delays. The value for this parameter can be anything from 0 to 600. First, let's take a look at the default behavior with the value 10. With this value you are able to use effect tails with a maximum length of 10 seconds. So, drop an audio element in the timeline and add an effect like reverb or delay on it. And then go to Edit and select Append Silence. The default time for Append Silence is corresponding to the parameter, but you can still change it.
Masters in Public Policy.
Now, when you group the element with a silent element and then compile it, you get a new element with the effect tail in the area of the silent element. To get another view, we will use the value 3 for a 3-second effect tail. Now, when we compile the group element, the effect tail will end after 3 seconds. Thanks for watching and see you next week. Don't forget David Systems, listening in action.